Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up free shipping on the Ecwid. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Ecwid store. Once you are in, you have to go on the shipping and pickup. Now here you have shipping, delivery and pickup. You can also add the shipping, local delivery and self pickup. Because you have to add the free shipping, you have to click on the add shipping, and here you can set up your post. Once you set up your post, you have to add your carrier, like you have to enter the name of the carrier that you would like to set up, and click on the setup. Now here you can add the setup free shipping, also set up conditions, and also set up flat rate and the custom rates. If you want to add the free shipping, you have to click on it. Now you have to add the shipping name, and click on the save and finish. Now here you have to add the shipping name and checkout, and also add the description, and your shipping rates has been added. So yeah, this is how you can set up free shipping on the Ecwid.